Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Kitchen Faucet channel, where we explore the latest and greatest for troubleshooting and improving your home kitchen. Today we are going to talk about something that may seem simple, but can actually be quite difficult: change washers in the kitchen faucet. It is a task that many people take on themselves, and while this is certainly possible, there are some common mistakes that can make the process much more frustrating than it needs. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay updated with all our latest home improvement tips. Let's start. Changing washers in a kitchen faucet is a common household repair task that can help fix leaks and save water. By following a few simple steps, you can easily replace the washers in your kitchen faucet without the need for professional help. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. Tools and materials needed: adjustable wrench, screwdriver, replacement washers, towel. Step-by-step guide. Turn off water. Before starting any work on your kitchen faucet, make sure to turn off the water supply. You can usually do this by turning the shut-off valves located under the sink. Prepare work area. Place a towel or a bucket under the sink to catch any water that may drip during the repair. Access the faucet. Locate the screws that hold the faucet handle in place. Use a screwdriver to remove these screws and then carefully remove the handle. Locate the washer. Once you have removed the handle, you will see a stem and a nut. The washer is usually located inside the nut. Inspect the washer. Check the condition of the washer. If it is worn out, cracked, or damaged, it will need to be replaced. Remove the old washer. Use an adjustable wrench to loosen the nut and remove the old washer. Be careful not to damage the surrounding parts. Replace with a new washer. Take the replacement washer and place it in the same position as the old one. Make sure it fits securely in place. Reassemble the faucet. Once the new washer is in place, reassemble the faucet by following the steps in reverse order. Tighten the nuts securely, but be careful not to over-tighten. Turn on water and test. After reassembling the faucet, turn on the water supply and test the faucet for any leaks. If everything looks good, you have successfully changed the washers in your kitchen faucet. Changing washers in a kitchen faucet is a simple DIY task that can help you fix leaks and prevent water wastage. By following this guide, you can easily replace the washers in your kitchen faucet and keep it in good working condition. Remember to always turn off the water supply before starting any repair work and to use the right tools for the job. With a little bit of time and effort, you can save money on plumbers' fees and take care of your kitchen faucet maintenance yourself. Well, that's a wrap for today's tutorial on a change washers in the kitchen faucet. Remember, maintaining your faucet not only improves the water quality but also extends the life of your plumbing fixtures. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends for more DIY tips and tricks.